Ayan, good morning. It's 12:02 in the morning, midnight. So, ito yung natanggap kong gift kanina sa work. Tignan natin kung anong nasa loob. Ito muna, malaki. What's this?
What is it?
It's a glass. It's
Oh,
a
so
glass
that-
lock. It's a
Yeah.
cute one. Ito yung panlinis. Ito. Oh my. Wow! Ang daming candy. You said candy, so give me. Ayan guys.
Hey, for Halloween.
Candies. Hindi ko kakainin to, mamimigay ko. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa mga candies. I thought it's chocolate.
Oh no.
Nagreklamo. And then this one, Hello Kitty. What's this? I don't know what's this. I think a face mask. Face pack. Para sa mukha. It's a Japanese thing. Ayan. So, tignan natin yung isa. Ang laki. Hindi lang pala. So, ito yung and special ako. May pangalan pa ako. Ayan. May message. Sabi niya, wishing you peaceful moments this holiday season. Thank you for all you do. Happy holidays. Very special. Tingin ko ano. What's this? You have something like this? What's
No.
this? I don't know what's this. Oh, this is the thing for the, it's like scents. Pang ano siya?
For the burner?
I think for this one.
Yeah, that's the
I
burner.
think for this one. It's like, this is a burner? It's like a burner machine.
No, it's like for
Like
scent.
scents, yeah. Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob. Ito yung kabungo niya, ilalagay sa loob. Let me see what's inside. Meron din sa asawa ko nito. Ayan. It's a machine.